Hi guys, good morning. It's me Marie Per Vlogs. To this video, second na PCR test namin sa office. Ito lahat po ng empleyado, yung mga blue collars is nauna na po sila magpa-swab test, PCR test. So yung mga staff naman po from site office to head office is today's schedule. So, papasok tayo sa work and we are getting ready na. Time check is almost 8. Nandito pa tayo sa bahay. I'm getting breakfast, biscuit and a cup of coffee. Yun lang. So, subaybayan nyo ako guys. Hanggang sa pagpasok ko sa office. Alright, see you! Hello guys, it's me once again. So, nandito na po tayo sa office and time check, it's past 9 o'clock and we are ready to have our second PCR. Random po siya from blue collar to site staff, pero tapos na po yung mga blue collar namin. In a few minutes, mag-i-start na po yung swab testing natin or PCR test. There we go. Ayan. Yan po si Ate Rihina, yung kasama ko dito. Yan, Pilipino din po siya, Ilocano, of course. Ayan, pareho po kaming na-COVID last time dito sa office. Ayan, pero ngayon, titest na naman namin. Alright?
Second.
Ano sabi ko ate? May ano pala siya, may YouTube channel din po.
PG Manda.
And Ashley Mandap as well.
Yes. Anak ko lang.
Please don't forget to subscribe din po yung Ashley Mandap.
Yes.
Ayan, YouTube channel. Alright? Thank you.
Hi, my name is Bilal and this is Mary. She is a very good colleague of us. We are working together. Please subscribe her blog. She is very active and his material is very good. Please subscribe and like her videos.
Yeah, and he has also his own YouTube channel. What is it?
Freedom is not free.
Yes,
Please
it's not free,
subscribe.
absolutely.
Yeah.
Hey,
You
guys.
have to fight for your freedom.
Yes, absolutely. And we are here for our swab testing.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Good luck, Mary.
Ilocano din po siya guys, taga Ilocos Sur. Yan, so dito marami kaming mga Ilocano. Mga Ilocano clan nandito nasa site pati sa office. So bago lang din po siya ngayon. Ano na kami ulit. Ngayon, CPR wala.
CPR.
RCP wala.
PCR.
PCR. kaya swab testing ngayon. This is my second time. Pero I'm not comfortable with it kasi natatakot talaga ako, promise. Although my first experience is okay naman po siya kasi Filipino. As you can see in my previous vlog, Filipino po yung nag-pick ng sa akin. Pero ngayon, nakita ko kanina, puro mga ibang lahi, walang Pilipino. So medyo, nandiyan na naman yung fear ko. Talagang ayaw ko talaga yung nagaganito, lalo na yung mga vaccine. Kaya hindi pa ako nagpapabaksin guys kasi tatakot ako sa mga sirens and everything. So what to do? This is mandatory. Good luck for me. Yan, sabihin mo, pero katawa ng tawa. Yun lang ba? Sabihin mo.
Wala. Pan lang. Enjoy lang yung pagtusok ng
Ilong.
at saka bunganga.
Oo nga nga.
Sana hindi tawag nun.
Ay, kumustahin mo yung mga kababayan mo sa Ilocos Sur?
Sana nasa mabuti lang kalagayan natin.
O, kung kumustaan na kano ako, di kaya kababagyan ni Paul, di kaya makamang mo kanya na, natuyan suna.
Taga Kandon.
O, Kandon Ilocos Sur, shout out po kayo dyan. Ayan, lovely shout out. Coming from Mr. Paul, Christian Polabaya, all the way from Kandon Ilocos Sur.